Good morning, everybody. I just woke up and I realized that I haven't really been doing too much talking about the van and just more about my adventures and travels. So I'm going to give you a brief insight of what a typical day is in my life living in the van. I parked over in Newport Beach and I'm really close to the back bay. It's a beautiful spot. It's one of my favorites. Let's check it out. Today the first thing I gotta do is I have to go teach a yoga class and I'm running late, so I better go get ready for that. So let's check that out. Alright everybody, I just got to Raw Yoga. It's one of my favorite places to teach at. We're gonna set up the room and then we're gonna have an awesome yoga class. Hi Jackie.
Hello. Come to Raw Yoga.
We also have the best front desk staff.
We're the best.
See?
That was a really fun class. It was beginner level and it was just nice to really teach people the foundations of yoga. And it's something that, it's really important. You really want to focus on that. So I love teaching beginners. So now I'm just chilling, reading Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell. It was recommended to me by one of my buddies and it's a pretty good book. I'm really enjoying it, but I have been reading it for a very long time, so I'm hoping I can maybe put some good time reading this thing today. Maybe I'll finish it. But I'm here at the Irvine Spectrum, got a little bit of coffee just to chill, and besides that one class, it's pretty much a day off. I do have to teach Tango a little bit earlier, but that's barely even working. It's just a lot of fun. So yeah, we'll... Rest in peace, Apple Watch. I dropped it. I don't know where I put it, but it's gone. Bummer. I only noticed when I was gonna go work out and I was like, oh! Yay! I found it! Yes. Ooh. That was slightly stressful. I guess that's one lesson to be learned about living in your van, is that you need to keep your stuff organized. I was just cleaning the van and I must have taken it off to clean, and then I found it right hidden in there. So yeah, being organized is really important and it'll save you a lot of stress. Hello.
Sorry, when did I stole your stuff? My bad. That was on Put it up, strap it up. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's march! 9, 5, 10, 5, 11, 5. 4. Keep that heart rate high. Remember, press all your eyes. So good. Everybody go, go, go. We're on the ground for about 2 minutes. We're already 20 seconds in. 25 seconds away. Shut down.
Just did the workout at Barry's boot camp. Let's see what the Apple Watch says. 709 calories. Honestly, I feel great. It's time for a little bit of lunch, and honestly, I'm just too lazy to cook right now. It's also been really hot, so the ice in my ice chest hasn't been holding as long, so I've been getting a lot of food waste, so I just try to make something real quick. Today we've got broccoli, some chicken, I'm gonna cut up an avocado. Boom, laundry's done, folded, and I was able to do some editing while I was waiting for my laundry, so that's super good. And now we're off to go teach a couple dance lessons. Like I said earlier, it's barely work. I have a private lesson and I have 2 group classes, so here we go. Quick pit stop to see the sunset.
Alright, so we just taught an epic dance class. People were really good. I should have recorded some of it, but I totally forgot. I was just so in the moment. Hopefully you guys can hear this. There's the music going. Lovely. Well, that's my day. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. I found a little place to park, and now I'm going to crash out. I did get to enjoy a little bit of a Lindy Hop before I went home. Did a couple blues fusion dances, and then met some cool people. So yeah, take care. Have a good night, and I'll see you.